this is Hakim from TubeHD, and here's part 2 of this thing. So I'm gonna unbox it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it right here. So if you're looking, I'm so sorry. God, this is so hard. This might take a while. So, if you are waiting, thank you for waiting. You will be a patient person. If you're a kid, then you will be a patient person when you grow up. If you are an adult, means you're patient already from you are small. Oops. So tape is off. I'm gonna open it. Oh. How do we do it? Oh. I got it. So we have bag 1 and bag 2. This thingy, stickers. Oh, Monty. Oops. And an instruction booklet. So I'm gonna build this, and I'll see you in the review section. Bye.